Have you ever come across someone claiming that physical games don't carry data on the disk? That every physical game needs a download anyway? Then this is the video to share to those people. This is how physical media actually works. We picked a special game to showcase you a fully offline installation. And as you can see, we are offline right now. We even picked a local profile that has never been connected to PSN or other services. Our game is Gears of War Reloaded on PS5. It even comes with a frightening disclaimer that it requires a content download. Let's put it in and see what happens. The console recognizes the disc and starts the installation process. And this is exactly where Sony's user interface starts to do a massive disservice to the perception of physical media. While the button on the bottom left reads copying, the system push notification speaks of downloads. The menu button is also labeled downloads. Downloading refers to retrieving data from a network source, but since we are fully offline as shown before, this is not what is happening here. And if you go to the actual progress windows, we finally see the more proper terminology. Here, the console talks about copies and things being installed. What we do now is an installation. We have the data on a local source and copy and set it up on the internal storage of the console. No internet needed. Would we be online, the console might automatically download patches and bundle them with the installation. Another quirk of the PlayStation that confuses people. We might cover it in a different video at one point. By the way, proof that we are completely unpatched right now is the title of the game. For some reason, the developers forgot to change the working title to the real one. Gears of War Reloaded is still called Panda in its disc version. Let's fast forward a bit to quickly show you another cool feature. You notice that the progress bar has a spot marked as ready to play. This feature is a relic of a previous era. At that point, enough data has been installed to actually start the game already, while the installation goes on in the background. During the PS4 times, Sony actually forced devs to use this on all games for a while. What you can do at that point varies from game to game. Some just let you boot into the main menu or watch the intro. Some actually let you play the game to a certain extent. For Gears of War, you can see another misleading progress bar here that wrongly reads downloading. You gotta wonder if this constant deception was deliberate all these years. The good news? Gears of War Reloaded even lets you start playing during the installation. Now let's fast forward to the end of the installation. You can skip ahead if you want. And we are done! Both the push notification and the progress window now correctly say that the game is installed, and we can boot it. The little progress notice is gone and we can start going through settings and finally playing the game. One quick final check, and we can see that the game is indeed 1.000.000. And the 64 gigabytes in size that the back cover told us it would be. 64 gigabytes of data that you can use independently without the need for any online services. We hope this video was insightful and hope you spread this as far as possible to combat the misconceptions about physical media. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our content, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment. If you want to support our research, please consider donating to our cause via Patreon, Ko-fi or PayPal via the links in the description. And a big thank you to our existing Patreon supporters, and thank you all for watching. We will see you soon. Bye.